Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been really long since I have shot something long, and today I have a perfect reason to film this video. You must have already read the title. Today's video is about Myntra Haul. I have recently purchased few tops from Myntra, and I thought why not share that with you and show you guys what I purchased. So honestly speaking, I'm not really a Myntra girl. I am more of a go to the mall, go to some stores, try some clothes and then purchase them. But this time I was on a budget, so I thought why not buy a few clothes from Myntra, and it did not disappoint me. A few of you might say, oh my god, these colors are too basic and too neutral, but I'm sorry, I am in my neutral phase right now, so I don't buy too many colors. I always stick to the neutrals. Anyway, let's not waste time and let's quickly see what I bought. So my first top is this. This is from the brand called Casually with a K. This came in rupees 439, I think. Yeah. So this is a tube and it is made out of polyester material. It also looks like a ribbed top, and I really loved it because of this detailing on the chest and on the neckline or whatever. It also gives a very corset feeling. If you see from all sides, it has a little bit of ruffled stitched on the sides, and it gives a very beautiful figure and a very beautiful structure to your body. So I really loved this. I think it's perfect for summer or some kind of brunch. I think you can wear this even on dinners. So I really loved and I'm quite satisfied with this purchase. So the second top is this halter neck top by this brand called Based, and again, obviously this is black and white, so I was really skeptical about this top because I didn't know if it will really look good on my body type. But because I love halter top, I really wanted to try this one, and actually it fits me so well, and you can really style this with anything. And I also feel that this is perfect for summer and it's quite comfortable. So the next top is this, again a halter neck top, and it's black and white. I know, but I don't care. This is from a brand called Rare, and this came in rupees 500 something, and it's totally worth it. This is also in polyester material, and I love this top because of this side detailing they have done with this white strap, and also the slit on the sides, and also the length of this top is quite long, so I really love it. So why I love halter neck tops is because it looks very classy, and at the same time it looks very simple and comfortable, especially in summers. You can see how good it's looking on my body, and I can wear this anytime, anywhere. So next are the non-black and white tops that I purchased from Myntra. The first one is this strappy tank top, and this is from a brand called Street 9, and this came in rupees 699. So this particular top is made out of cotton. That is why this is very comfortable to wear. I know I'll have to iron it a lot once I wash it, but I really loved the color of this top, and also because it gives you that waistcoat feeling without being a waistcoat. It has all these fake pockets and everything, but it's very comfortable to wear because it's cotton, obviously, and it's perfect for summers. You can again style it with anything you want. That is why I go with neutrals, because you can style them with any color bottoms. I loved the fitting, and yeah, I love this. So now, last but not the least, a t-shirt. So I bought this t-shirt from the brand the Soul Store. I really love the Soul Store's few products. I think they really have good casuals, and this is one of them. So as soon as I saw this t-shirt on Myntra, I had no other doubts. I wanted to purchase them. I love the color combination. It gives you a very teenage, college vibe. Anyway, I love this, and it's very comfortable. I bought this in the size L, and this is, I think, for rupees 799. So it's quite pricey, but I think it's worth it because the material is very good and you can wear them anytime. It can be your everyday wear. So anyway, these were my purchases from Myntra. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. I'm going to add the links to all these tops in my description box, so you can always check it out. And thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.